Oh, hi guys. I didn't see you there. I was just so comfortable on my new pillow. Comment down below if you liked the video and let me show you the end result of the actual bath bombs.
Hey, what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make bath bombs.
We are making bath bombs. Show everybody what we have.
You need a bowl, mixer upstairs. You need measuring cups, a tiny whisk cream.
We have epsom salt, baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch. We got lavender essential oil. This is Mommy's first time filming all by myself. It's not stressful at all.
We have molds.
Yeah. Ooh.
We have
Coconut oil.
coconut oil.
We got all of this stuff from Whole Foods. I'm pretty sure we probably could have gotten all of it cheaper elsewhere, but in the interest of time and getting everything done today and not having to wait for it to ship or anything, we went yesterday and we got all of it.
It smells like a bathtub in here.
It does. It smells good in here already, and we just opened, all we did was open up the oil.
Zoom capability.
Yeah, like, there it is. Hit it. All right, people, let's get started. Hey, you having fun, Riv?
She's camera shy.
Riv, what are we gonna make?
Making big soup. We're not making bacon soup.
What are we making? Bath bombs.
Daddy, come so weird soon.
Do you want to take a bath with the bath bombs today or tomorrow? You think about that?
I'll be my bath bombs.
Yeah, we're gonna make them now. So far, we just have the oil. We got pretty far. Okay. So what we just did was this is all of the liquid ingredients. 1 cup baking soda. Ready to help?
Yeah.
All right.
I will help in the bowl.
There's the bowl, okay. Here, take the cornstarch. Here we go. 1 cup, half cup cornstarch. Oh, there you go. Good job.
Looks like crystals. Mommy, can I cook? Crystals. 5. Can I cook 5? Can I cook 5?
You can actually eat the epsom salt. You know that?
Guys, let me show you something. That looks like a crystal.
So in that bowl is 1 cup baking soda, half cup cornstarch, half cup Epsom salt, and then we have to add in the half cup citric acid in a minute after we add in the wet ingredients. You do it too, Riv. Mix it, mix it. Good job, good job. Does it help when your tongue is out to mix it? Helps you balance better on that stool.
I'm making 2 cowboys.
What?
I'm making 2 cowboys. Daddy, Mommy, cowboy go in the shop.
Cowboy go in the sauce.
Cowboy go in the shop. Finally got it.
We're down 1.
Look at this. Look at this ginormous chunk.
So what are you doing? You're molding the bath bombs?
I heard when you make bath bombs, you don't actually just put it in you.
Yeah, you have to like pack it in tight. Okay. I guess I will grab myself a mold. I forgot one thing. Let me get the tray.
Oh yeah. Definitely gonna need tray. Trays! Trays, 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 trays.
How's it coming?
Good.
Yeah, let's mix it up. You wanna like smush it in. Like that. Yeah, there you go. This was a good idea, because you know what? Like the house wasn't dirty enough. Right?
You need the house to be more dirty to clean up.
Yeah. I didn't really have a whole lot going on today.
So
I thought, you know what?
let's make the house more
Let's clean
dirty.
powder up all over the kitchen. Just kidding. The one recipe that I followed said 2 teaspoons of oil. Another recipe I read everything was the same, but it said
5
teaspoons of oil.
Look at this. Look at my bath bomb that finally dried. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Catch it. Damn.
Okay. Let's see. I forgot to tap it. I don't know what that really does, but. Oh, look at that! Oh, is it gonna work? It did! Look at that!
That's the secret ingredient. That's the secret ingredient. Dog hair.
Well, another recipe said that you could put little things in it, like toys or like a
Pikachu toys.
What?
Pikachu toys.
Like little toys. That's one.
I think I'm gonna be a little closing it.
I could do it. You want me to?
Yeah, it's hard.
I probably should have gotten the metal ones. They had metal ones. It was more expensive and it was only one in a pack, and I wanted to be able to do it with you.
So we got 4 done.
So what do you want to say about bath bombs?
They're kind of fun to make. They were extremely hard.
They were fun to make. It's going to be even more fun to clean it up because somehow there's enough bath bomb material on the floor to make another one. What I think would have been easier is instead of using like these, if we did the
silicone.
They had different molds that, you know, maybe in like different shapes. Damn it.
I gotta run down my stairs.
So we had one bath bomb fail.
Yes.
Broke. We had a little casualty, and so we're just gonna do like a little test in the water to see it bubble. Ready, set, go. Smells good, huh?
That would be cool if it was like a rainbow one with like white at the bottom with rainbow, and then we just let it go and then it would be rainbow.
We just barely did the all white ones, you know what I mean? That sounds a little advanced.
No, like if we bought it at the store. Subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up, and also ring the bell notification button for more videos.
You're good at that.